What's going on, guys? Back with another video. Xavier and I just trained. Sorry, I'm can't even talk right, man. I always keep messing this up.
2 hours later.
We just trained a push strength day, which is the first training day of our 6-day split. And the first 3 days, like I said in the last video, is focused on strength, and the second 3 days is focused on hypertrophy, a little bit in the higher rep range. And so yeah, I'm gonna show you a little bit of my push strength workout today. See you guys in the next clip. All right, so what you guys are seeing is some clips of me just warming up before the workout. And a lot of what I'm doing here actually comes from Jeff Nippard's warm-up routine, which I'll link in the description. But before we get to the workout, I actually want to talk to you guys about how I'm progressing week by week. So I actually use an Excel spreadsheet, which I'll throw up on the screen, and you can kind of get an idea of how I'm progressing here. So cycle 1, that actually just means week 1. And let's take an exercise. So first exercise of this workout is weighted pull-ups. It's 4 sets of 6 to 8 reps. I actually start off with maybe, like, for example, body weight, and I'll do 8 reps. The next week I'll increase the weight and do 7 reps. The third week I'll increase the weight again and do 6 reps. And then the fourth week I'll probably deload, cutting the weight by 20% and by 1 set at the end of each exercise. So I won't be doing as much volume. So here you can see I'm doing weighted pull-ups, 4 sets of 8 reps, and I'm using a 25-pound plate. This is actually one of my favorite exercises because of the range of motion that you get, and it's probably why my back is a strong point on my physique. After that, I moved on to Pendlay row, which is similar to barbell row. And I like this one because it puts less pressure on the lower back since you're letting the weight rest on the floor each rep. And if you're doing it properly, it should minimize the amount of momentum during the exercise. After that, I moved on to barbell curl, 3 sets of 10 reps. And I think I'm doing 70 pounds here. Yep. And then after that, I did alternating dumbbell curl, 2 sets of 10 reps. And one thing I want you guys to pay attention to is how I'm supinating at the top of each rep. So what that means is you're just turning your pinky inwards, turning your pinky out at the top of the movement. After that, I move on to dumbbell side lateral raises, and I'm just doing 2 sets of 15 reps. I actually hit shoulders every push and pull workout. So I'm hitting shoulders 4 times a week, and the reason why I'm doing that is I just want to maintain my shoulders during this cut. After that, I did dumbbell rear delt flies, 2 sets of 12 reps, and that's what kind of gives that 3D look to the shoulders, right? Trying to get those Captain America shoulders. After that, I ended the workout with hanging leg raises, 4 sets of 15 reps, and I actually train abs every day, and I'm alternating between these and cable crunches. Boom, voiceover done. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, make sure to hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and share with a friend. All right, catch you guys next time.